You want yummy yum? Uppy, good girl. Oh, good girl. Good girl. Dinner num num time. Teaching Uppy. Oh, stop. No. Get a piece of food. You keep doing it. Hold it. Come here. Hold it to their nose and then guide them up and give it to them. Uppy! Oh, good girl. Oh my gosh! She fell over! She was doing Uppy, she fell backwards.